Now here's a real cold start. Minus 25 and we got a caravan. I don't know. Think it's gonna start?
Yeah. Always has so far.
Who knows how the battery's been. Hasn't been plugged in or anything. I don't even know if it's got a block heater. The suspension's frozen. Let's see what it's gonna do. You know what? I actually don't think it's gonna start. Oh, I was right. Do that again, do that again.
Freaking ignition.
Ignition's screwed. Whoa. Well, I'm too lazy to go get another battery or even charge it, so fuck it. Oh well. Too bad. My truck started today. Didn't even try the Corolla, it's too early.